Hello everyone, this is Hiral Kavlani for Hindi learning classes. In my last class, I taught you all the vowels, swar of Hindi Varnmala. Now we are going to do Vyanjan, that means consonants. So we have these consonants which we can see in our paper, in our chart. So we will start learning how to pronounce these letters and how to use them in a word. So let's begin with the first letter. This is K. In English also I have written K sound. It creates K sound, and we can see a bird which is pigeon. In Hindi we call kabutar. It is written in spelling also Kabootar, kabutar. So you will pay attention to spellings also. So Ka is for kabutar. First letter of Vyanjan is Ka, Ka for kabutar. Now move to the next letter, that is Kha. We can see Kha. Kha is for Khargosh. Khargosh is rabbit. Rabbit in Hindi we call Khargosh. Ka for kabutar, Kha for Khargosh. Next we have letter G. So G is for Gamla also, but here it is donkey. We call in Hindi Gadha. G for Gadha. Next we have Gha. Gha is for Ghar. Ghar is a house. Ghar or Gha for Ghadi also we call. Ghadi is watch, but here Gha is for Ghar. And the last letter of this row is Anga. Anga is very rarely used, so we don't put any word with this letter because it is different with the combination of words. With the combination of letters, it has different kind of use. So particularly we cannot mention any word with it because this is very rarely used. Okay, so first row we have completed. So let's do one more time this whole row. Ka for kabutar, Kha for khargosh, Ga for gamla ya gadha, Gha for ghar, Anga khali. Khali is empty. Okay, we will do next row. Next row begins with Cha. Cha sound. Cha is for chammach, spoon. In Hindi it is chammach. In English we call spoon. Cha for chammach. This is Cha. Cha is chhatri, umbrella. We can see Cha, how to write it. Cha is for chhatri, umbrella. And next we have Ja. Ja is for jahaj. Jahaj, we can see a ship. It is Ja. Ja for jahaj. And next we have Jha. Jha sound. Jha is for jhanda, a flag. Jha for jhanda. And then we have Nya. Nya is also khali. Khali means have no word. It is also very rarely used. So this was the second row. Let's revise this row again. Cha for chammach, Chha for chhatri, Ja for jahaj, Jha for jhanda, Nya khali. Okay, we will do the third row. It is Ta. Ta sound. Ta for tomato. Then we have next Tha. Tha for Thathera. Thathera. And then we have Thathera is a person who works with all utensils. And then we have Da. Da for Damru. Rattle, we kids play with this. This is Da. Da for Damru. And Dha. Then we have Dha. Dha for Dhakkan. Dhakkan is a lid, a cover of any utensil. We call Dhakkan. Then we have Ana. Ana also khali, we use with the words. So let's revise this row again. Ta for tomato, it's tomato. ठ ठठेरा, ड डमरू, ढ ढक्कन, अण खाली. Let's move to the next row. It is ta. Ta for tabla, a musical instrument. Musicians play with this. And this is tha. Tha for thermos. Thermos is a water bottle in which we put hot water to keep it hot for the longer time. Hot bottle kind of thermos. This is the. The for dawai. Dawai is medicine. Bottle of medicine. Drops we put in dawai. This is a bottle. Okay, this is dha. Dha for dhanush. Dhanush is bow. We can see a bow and arrow is used to hunt. In olden days, people or king used to hunt animals with the usage of this arrow and bow. So this is called dhanush in Hindi. Next is na. Na for null. Null is a tap. Na for null. Okay, let's revise this row. Ta tabla, tha thermos, da dawai, dha dhanush, na null. Okay, let's move to the next row. Pa. This is pa sound. Pa for patang, a kite. Patang. And then next is pha. Pha is phal. Phal, fruits in English. Ba is bachcha. Bachcha is baby in English. Ba, bachcha. Baby is bachcha. Bha. Bha for bhalu. Bhalu, you understand? Bear. And then we have ma. Ma is for machli. Machli means fish. Ma, machli. Okay, let's revise this. Pa patang, pha phal, ba bachcha, bha bhalu, ma machli. Okay, we have next row. It is ya. Ya is for yantra. Yantra is a kind of musical instrument, guitar, something like that. Any kind of instrument is called yantra. It's not particularly musical instrument, but it's an here in the picture it is instrument, a musical instrument. Okay, next we have ra. Ra is for ras. Ras is juice. Any kind of juice is called ras. La is for lattu. Lattu we can see in the picture. Top we call it. And next we have va. Va is for one. One is jungle, forest. In Hindi we call it one. And then we have sha. Sha for sharifa. It's a kind of a fruit. Sha is sharifa. Okay, next we can revise this row. Ya yantra. And then we have ra for ras, la for lattu, va for one, sha for sharifa. Okay, let's do the last row. Sha is for shatbhuj. Shatbhuj, a kind of angle which has 6 sides. So we call it Shatbhuj in Hindi. And next we have sa. Sa for santra, orange in English. In Hindi we call santra. Ha. Ha for hathoda. Hathoda is hammer in English. So in Hindi we call hathoda. And this is sha. Sha is for kshatriya. It used to be a caste in olden days, and kind of soldiers who used to protect their king's kingdom, and they used to go for fighting. So we call them kshatriya. And tra is trikon. Trikon is triangle which has 3 sides. Tra is trikon. Okay, let's revise this row. Okay, this is the last word. Let's do this also. Gya. Gya for Gyani. Gyani is for intelligent person. Here we can see a priest who is always knowledgeful, and this is Gya. The last letter of this consonant is Gyani. So Sh for Shatbhuj, Sa Santra, Ha Hathoda, Sh Kshatriya, Tra Trikon, Gya Gyani. Okay, now I'll remove all the circles so that you may all see all the letters carefully and can revise. And without saying the word, I'll only tell you the letters only so that you can hear properly. And pay attention. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. Second row. Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya. Third row. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Ra. Fourth row. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Fifth row. Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. Next row. Ya, Ra, La, Va, Sha. Last row. Sh, Sa, Ha, Ksha, Tra, Gya. So these were the all letters of Hindi Varnmala, consonant letters, Vyanjan. So I hope you understood. Keep practicing, keep listening so that you may have proper practice of these Vyanjan sounds. And do watch earlier video which was about swar, vowel sounds. And in my next video, I'll teach you how to join these letters to make a word. I hope you liked this video. Please do like, subscribe and share and comment. Thank you so much.